Okay, hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you my recently approved Australia patent prototype, which is called Augmented Reality Internet of Things Trigger. Basically, the core idea is to use the AR technology to replace the ordinary web or touchscreen user interface to connect with and control the IoT device by various IoT protocols, such as MQTT. Here, I make a very simple scenario to illustrate how it works. And this is a very tiny automatic bartender. The normal automatic bartender or coffee machine allows the customers to order the drinks via some buttons or touch screen operations. And all of these operations and responses happen locally, where there is no network communication with customer's device. My improved idea is to let AR function in customers' own devices, such as the mobile phone or iPad. Then inside the AR, we embed the implementation of IoT protocols, which will publish the signal to a dedicated IoT server. And after this, the IoT server will forward the messages to subscribed MCU. Like here, I use the Raspberry Pi as a simple MCU to control the functional components to function accordingly. And now let's take a look at this example. The AR app has already been installed on my device, and we have already turned it on. And now we shift the machine mode to AR mode. Okay, so we can see how it works. We use the AR app to focus on the screen, and now we can see there are a few drinks options show on the screen, like the coconut, the Coke, and something like that. And we can see on that side, I make the example by a bottle of water and a glass. And now let's take a look how it works. I click on the Coke. You can see it's spinning. And on that side, you can see the water now is coming from the bottle to the glass. We take a look again. We click on the Coke, and we can see the water is going into the glass. So this is how it works. Okay, so now it's all good. This is just a very simple scenario to show how this concept works. Actually, there are lots of application scenarios that can use this concept. Like nowadays, the COVID-19 affects lots of activities, and I believe that these can benefit lots of contactless activities in workplace or socializing events. Thanks for watching.